Felly, dyn ni yma heddiw mwy ddathlu lansiad cangen newydd o Bilingualism Matters ym Prifysgol Abertawe. Mae digwydd fod hefyd y gangen gyntaf i gael ei sefydlu yng Nghymru. Dr Gweran Rhai yma dwi, dwi'n uwchddarlithydd yn y Gymraeg ym Prifysgol Abertawe. Bilingualism Matters is such a prestigious international organisation on cheering the benefits of being bilingual and the benefits of multilingualism. So we're really pleased to be able to join such a recognised body and for Wales and particularly Swansea University to have a voice just in sharing the benefits of being bilingual to any young society. Obviously it's based on academic research, but the idea is really engaging with the public.
Hi, my name is Victoria. I'm working in Swansea Uni as a research assistant, but I'm also a primary school teacher. I was really interested in building the different networks and relationships and finding out where I can reach out to get some help. They're really helpful, really friendly. They've guided me towards some websites. So I think that was really informative.
Mi chiamo Antonella Sorace, insegno linguistica acquisizionale all'Università di Edimburgo e sono la fondatrice di Bilingualism Matters, che è un centro per l'impegno e la divulgazione scientifica della ricerca sul multilinguismo. We are delighted to open a branch in Wales because we think we really can learn from each other. In most of our network around the world now, we try to make people aware of the importance of language learning and multilingualism. This is something that many other places can benefit from. So when I say we can learn from each other, I really mean it.